How to fix Snapchat video sound not working. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix your Snapchat video sound not working. So let's get started. Now the reason why your Snapchat is not recording your audio with the video is it might be because you have turned off the microphone access for it. Now to enable it, go to your settings. After you're on your settings, scroll down till you see the apps section. Tap on apps and then search for Snapchat. After you find Snapchat, open it up. Now here you will see microphone. Make sure that you've toggled on this button. And after you've toggled on this button, what you need to do is go ahead and check your Snapchat again. Now if the problem is still there, what you'll then need to do is go to your Snapchat again. Your settings again, go to your general, go to iPhone storage, and then search for Snapchat. So just search for Snapchat and open it up. Here just offload the app and then reinstall it after that, and then your problem should get fixed. And that is how you fix the Snapchat video sound not working problem. And that is all for this video too. Thanks for watching guys. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos